Welcome to my lab. For decades, the beauty world warned us that mixing vitamin C and niacinamide would instantly destroy your delicate skin. It was considered the ultimate skincare sin. But today, I will show you why brilliant cosmetic chemists routinely blend them together. Let us investigate. To understand this famous rivalry, we must look at their wildly different personalities. Pure vitamin C is an incredibly fragile molecule. To survive and penetrate your pores effectively, it demands an extremely harsh, hyperacidic environment. Think of it as thriving in a violently sour lemon bath. On the contrary, niacinamide is our beloved soothing agent, and it completely despises acidity. Its delicate molecular structure requires a peaceful, perfectly neutral environment to remain stable. Forcing this gentle ingredient into an acidic serum is like dropping a calm, meditating monk into a roaring volcano. Let us dive into your pores to see the clash. When these opposite extremes are violently crushed together, a brutal chemical reaction triggers. The extreme acid shatters the soothing niacinamide, instantly transforming it into an irritating compound. Suddenly, your beautiful face experiences a terrifying, burning flush. Back on my testing bench, the drama continues. If you boldly layer these pure ingredients, they magnetically crash into each other, creating a bright yellow crystal. For years, terrified brands saw this rapid color change and mistakenly declared that both precious molecules were completely dead. Let us shrink down again and apply this terrifying yellow mixture onto your living skin. Watch how the water rapidly evaporates. Your natural body temperature and unique surface moisture instantly disrupt this forced embrace, beautifully breaking the temporary chemical spell that kept them locked tightly together. Miraculously, the bond shatters without causing any permanent damage. Both active molecules gracefully separate and dive deep into your cellular layers, completely unharmed. They successfully regain their original superpowers, diligently working side by side without ever neutralizing each other. The yellow color was totally harmless. Come back to the lab with me. While this temporary yellow hug is scientifically safe, the severe risk of that fiery flush still fiercely remains. Mixing pure acid with a neutral molecule is always dangerous. Fortunately, modern science invented an incredibly elegant and stable solution. Instead of using aggressively pure acid, I want to show you smart vitamin C derivatives. By securely attaching a heavy, solid phosphate shield to the fragile molecule, we completely transform its behavior. This clever microscopic armor allows our unstable compound to remain calm in neutral water. Because this beautifully modified vitamin C now loves a perfectly neutral environment, the devastating conflict instantly disappears. The bottle becomes the ultimate comfort zone for our delicate niacinamide. There is absolutely zero risk of it breaking down, meaning you will never endure that agonizing chemical burning. Let us zoom in closer. What about that magnetic yellowing effect? That clever, bulky phosphate shield creates a massive physical barrier around the vitamin C. This heavy structural armor physically prevents the niacinamide from ever getting close enough to dock, permanently blocking the yellow complex formation. Look inside this high-tech serum bottle. These two legendary anti-aging titans now float peacefully side by side, completely oblivious to one another. The luxurious formula remains crystal clear, exquisitely stable, and wonderfully safe. They wait patiently in perfect harmony, ready to be deployed upon your command. Once you gently massage this masterpiece onto your face, the true biological magic begins. These clever derivatives quietly slip into your living epidermis like secret agents. They wait for specific natural skin enzymes, biological scissors known as phosphatases, to eagerly initiate a spectacular metabolic awakening. Watch these remarkable biological scissors swiftly snip off the heavy phosphate shield. Instantly, a massive burst of pure, active vitamin C explodes deep inside your cellular walls. It aggressively hunts rogue free radicals, while the neighboring niacinamide calmly lays down glowing bricks to repair your barrier. This is the absolute triumph of cosmetic engineering. By utilizing brilliantly stabilized derivatives, we effortlessly bypass the notorious acidic clash. The terrifying ancient myth is finally shattered forever. Vitamin C and niacinamide are unquestionably the greatest synergistic allies in all of modern skincare history.